Once I accepted the madness, the routine of this comedy hour became something I looked forward to. I got the new Fresh Foam 1080s, and so I had to get Nolly a pair of New Balance too, because how could I not? Running one-handed is so tricky, but the key is to keep your arm next to your body. Avoid making an X across your body. And once I got that down, I was good. Add in breaks to keep it fun for them. Challenge them to a scavenger hunt. Look for a rock, find a leaf. Or challenge them to sprints and up your heart rate. Or just collapse and try to breathe while they wear themselves out. To each their own.